This is a flying taxi, and Dubai is planning to launch flying taxis by 2026. Imagine a world where the sky is your highway, where traffic jams are no issue, and your morning commute feels like an adventure straight out of a science fiction movie. Welcome to Dubai, where the future of travel is taking flight. For centuries, humanity has dreamed of flying cars, and now Dubai is turning that dream into reality. How did this incredible transformation become possible? Let's have a closer look. Dubai is setting the stage for a transportation revolution with its ambitious plan to introduce air taxis by 2026. This pioneering initiative is led by the Dubai Roads and Transport Authority in partnership with JOBY Aviation and Sky Sports Infrastructure. These futuristic vehicles, known as eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, resemble robust drones and are designed to carry up to 4 passengers plus a pilot. Why air taxis, you might ask? The UAE's ambitious project is part of a broader strategy to lead in innovative, sustainable transportation solutions. Air taxis are designed to reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon emissions, and provide rapid transit options that are both safe and environmentally friendly. These aircraft are fully electric, meaning they produce zero emissions during operation, aligning perfectly with global trends towards greener technologies and more sustainable cities. The goal is to create a secure and rapid means of transit between key locations across Dubai, making it the first city in the world to launch a commercial electric air taxi service. Trials are already underway, showcasing the practical advantages of this innovation. Not only will these air taxis help alleviate the city's notorious traffic congestion, but they also promise to cut travel times by more than half. You all know how it's like to be stuck in the traffic, reaching late for work. The UAE has assured to transform urban travel with the launch of fully electric air taxis in early 2026 under its ambitious advanced air mobility initiatives. The journey to this futuristic transportation begins now, with the certification process for these groundbreaking air taxis kicking off this year in 2024. The question may arise, how are you going to book a ride? Booking a ride with the revolutionary air taxis in the UAE will be as simple as tapping on your smartphone. Developed by JOBY Aviation, a dedicated mobile application will enable both residents and tourists to efficiently navigate across the Emirates, bypassing typical traffic congestion. Experts anticipate this seamless service to save travelers up to 40% of their usual travel time. Imagine reducing your commute to less than 20 minutes, regardless of the distance traveled within the city. The innovative air taxis are set to achieve just that, promising to redefine urban travel. Initially priced similarly to high-end luxury ground transportation options like Uber Black or Uber Comfort, the cost is expected to become more affordable as the service expands on a larger scale, comparable to mainstream rideshare options such as Uber X. Looking ahead, the UAE's air taxi initiative aims not only to enhance convenience, but also to ensure accessibility for a wide range of commuters. As infrastructure and service availability increase, air taxi travel is set to become an everyday, budget-friendly choice for residents and visitors alike. This forward-thinking approach not only marks a significant step towards sustainable urban mobility, but also sets a new standard for efficient, environmentally friendly transportation in major cities. With plans for certification underway and operational readiness by 2026, the UAE is positioned at the forefront of global innovation in air mobility. As these advanced air taxis prepare to take flight, they promise to revolutionize urban transportation, offering a blend of speed, convenience, and affordability that will reshape how we navigate our cities. The process of certifying these air taxis is complex and thorough, involving rigorous testing and evaluation to ensure they meet all safety and operational standards. Starting this year, the certification procedures will involve multiple stages, from design assessment to flight testing, ensuring that by the time these air taxis are in the sky, they will be among the safest and most reliable modes of transport available. This process highlights the UAE's commitment to not only innovation, but also to maintaining the highest standards of safety and quality. Operating similarly to traditional ride-hailing services, air taxis promise to significantly reduce our travel time, potentially completing journeys in under 20 minutes, regardless of distance. They will be integrated into the urban landscape, with strategically placed takeoff and landing zones across key locations in the Emirates, ensuring accessibility and minimal environmental impact. These advanced vehicles are not just futuristic marvels, they are also environmentally friendly, emitting zero emissions during operation. As the certification process progresses throughout 2024 and operational readiness approaches by 2026, the UAE is poised to lead the global charge in advanced air mobility. This initiative not only promises to enhance urban transportation efficiency, but also aligns with the country's commitment to sustainable development and smart city initiatives. The era of air taxis represents a bold step towards a cleaner, faster, and more interconnected urban environment, setting a precedent for cities worldwide. The impending introduction of air taxis in urban settings is poised to bring about a dual revolution, benefiting both economies and environments alike. These innovative vehicles are anticipated to usher in a new era of efficiency by slashing travel times and alleviating traffic congestion. By doing so, they not only promise to boost productivity and economic output, but also mitigate the substantial financial losses incurred due to traffic delays. Moreover, the zero-emission nature of air taxis represents a significant stride towards environmental sustainability. With their electric propulsion systems, these futuristic aircraft will operate cleanly and quietly, making significant strides in reducing urban air pollution and noise levels. This eco-friendly approach not only enhances the quality of urban life, but also supports global efforts to combat climate change. Imagine you living in a cityscape where rush hour becomes a relic of the past, replaced by a seamless flow of aerial mobility. Isn't this a dream for everyone? Air taxis integrated into the urban fabric with dedicated landing pads strategically positioned across the skyline offer a vision of sustainable urban transport that balances convenience with environmental responsibility. As cities worldwide grapple with the challenges of urbanization, the UAE's pioneering adoption of air taxis signals a transformative shift towards smarter, greener, and more resilient urban environments. The future of urban mobility. The UAE's ambitious air taxi initiative represents far more than just a convenience upgrade. It marks a decisive leap into the future of urban mobility. With certification processes commencing this year, the country is laying the groundwork for a transportation revolution that is poised to redefine city travel dynamics worldwide. This groundbreaking initiative promises unparalleled speed, cleanliness, and efficiency in transportation. Imagine seamlessly booking a flight on your smartphone and being whisked away by a vehicle that takes off vertically, bypassing ground-level congestion entirely. These electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft not only promise to significantly reduce travel times, but also operate with zero emissions, making them pivotal in mitigating urban air pollution and noise levels. As the global spotlight turns to the UAE's pioneering efforts, the country is on track to emerge as a frontrunner in advanced air mobility. By demonstrating the viability and benefits of air taxis, the UAE is paving the way for other cities to embrace similar transformative technologies. This initiative not only underscores the nation's commitment to sustainable development, but also positions it at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future landscape of urban transportation for generations to come. Do you think people today would accept the air taxi? Would you book a ride if you had the chance to? If yes, why? Let us know in the comments below. Well, I am sure you are going to love to watch our video, Dubai India Underwater Railway Mega Project, on our channel. Make sure to subscribe to us and never miss our amazing videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.